Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have an update on Cognizant GenC Campus Drive for 2025. So Cognizant is basically hiring for the freshers for the Analyst Trainee role. So the third year full-time degree graduates, that is 2024 or 2025 graduates, so they are eligible to apply for this particular role. So the job title, so they are looking for the three different profiles. The first thing is the GenC Next, GenC Pro as well as the GenC. So based on your interview performance, you'll be involved in any of these three roles, either GenC, GenC Pro or the GenC Next, and the salary or the CTC also it depends on based on your interview performance. So based on that, you'll be aligned to any of these roles. So the work location for this, they have multiple work location for this across India. It can be Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Pune, Noida, Kolkata, and other options. And then the qualification needed for this, like either B or BTech graduates or MA or MTech. So these are the batches eligible to apply for this. And experience, so it is for freshers, and the salary or the CTC it is not disclosed. So for each of these profiles they have different CTC. And coming to the last date to apply for this particular role, so it is 15th December 2025, so 11:59 p.m. And so these are the different hiring channels like GenC Next, GenC Pro and the GenC. So the first thing is the entry level, it's a GenC, so entry level digital roles who has the basic foundation skills, so they are eligible or they'll be qualified for the first role, that is GenC. And GenC Pro, like the full stack development, so if you are good in the complete full stack tech stack development and good in technology and coding, so you'll be under this category or this profile, that is GenC Pro. And the third one is the GenC Next, like advanced digital roles. So this particular profile it is for the high performers. So this will be decided based on your overall interview performance. So these are the details about this role, and we'll see the eligibility criteria and then the skill sets, everything for this. So the first thing, so they have it's been divided into three different, so the analyst really it is been divided or aligned into three different roles and responsibilities. So the first thing is the analyst trainee for which is aligned to the IT and integrated smart operations. So the job responsibilities for this is that you'll be responsible for performing the database queries, CRUD operations, and you'll be involved in writing the stored procedures. So this will be the main focus for this area, like you are supposed to perform the CRUD operations and write the stored procedure for the low level design. Then you should prepare the test cases and then scripts, and you need to perform the automated test. So these are the main responsibilities for this. So the skill sets required for this is that you need to have good verbal as well as written communication skills, problem solving skills, critical thinking, strong analytical skills, and the time management skills. And the eligibility criteria for the first role, so like as mentioned, 2024 or 2025 graduates, that is third year UG degree in either BCA, BSc, computer science or the information technology. And the percentage criteria for this, it is 60% throughout. And if you have the 59.9%, so you are not allowed to apply for this. So the minimum it should be 60% throughout. So this is about the first thing. And the second thing, the description, so the job role or the description for the analyst trainee, which is aligned to the Multicloud. So under this, like you'll be involved in maintaining the computing environments, you need to monitor the production servers, and you need to handle the incident management. Like you are going to provide the support for Windows, network, database, storage, messaging, collaboration, as well as various cloud environments. So these are the responsibilities for this. So post joining as a full-time employee, so you need to provide support, like even the night shift you should be okay to work night shift, and they are going to provide the gaps and the other benefits. So the eligibility criteria for this is that you need to have the minimum percentage criteria, which is 50% in academics, and there should be no any standing arrears to apply for this. And coming to the third role, that is the analyst trainee, which is aligned to the digital workplace services. So in this you'll be you are supposed to provide the technical support to the clients, and you should involve in troubleshooting and resolving the IT issues. And for this also the percentage criteria for this, so it is 50%. So these are the three different roles, and based on your interview performance, as mentioned. So apart from this, if you are good in the full stack development, so you'll be aligned to the GenC Pro role. So then the entry level, this is for freshers, and the GenC Next, the digital roles. So these are the three roles available for the freshers. And coming to the selection process, so the first one, there will be communication assessment, so the English assessment or the communication assessment. And then the second, there will be technical, so there will be aptitude as well as the technical assessment. And then there will be technical interviews. So these are the selection process for this. So the registration process for the Cognizant, it is through Superset. So you can click on apply now. For this you are just you need to enter your email address. So if your email address is already registered, so you'll be getting a notification like this account already exists. So for that you can use other email ID and you can just register if you are eligible for that. Then you are supposed to fill all the required details, your education details, everything, and you can submit the application form. So the link for this, it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.